Measurement of temperature. First of all, we have to understand what temperature is and how properties are affected by the same temperature. So back then, we used to know that temperature is the measure of coldness and hotness of a substance. But at this stage, when we're talking about how cold or hot a substance is, we are looking at how much average kinetic energy does it have. So we simply put, temperature is the measurement of average kinetic energy of particles of a substance. That is the definition for what temperature is. Now, how does temperature affect properties? Let's just look at density itself. The formula for density is density is equal to mass times the volume. When you start heating the substance, bear in mind that the particles gain average kinetic energy. And when they do gain average kinetic energy, what happens is they start moving away, meaning they are increasing the volume. So if the volume is increasing, what happens to density? It is inversely proportional, meaning that heating something reduces the density of a particular substance. The reason is the volume of that particular thing increases. Just take, for example, you heat a metal, it expands, meaning you're increasing its volume, but the mass remains the same, meaning that you are decreasing the density of a particular substance. Now, at this time, we want to look at temperature in different ways. For example, how do you convert the Kelvin to Celsius, for example? So if you have a situation, let's take, for example, maybe it's 20 degrees. You want to convert it to Kelvin. So the common formula that we use is Kelvin is equal to 273 degrees Celsius plus, so we are going to add, this is 273 plus a degree Celsius. So meaning that where there's a degree Celsius, we'll put a 20. So K is equal to 273 plus 20. And what do we get? We probably get 293. So 293 Kelvin. So that's a common formula that should be used, that one, when converting the Kelvin to the degrees to Kelvin. Okay, so the next lesson we want to look at the thermometers. So in the next lesson we'll talk about these thermometers.